Hello guys, ito yung aking ruta from Panglao to Tubigon. Ang traditional ruta is dadaan ka ng Cortes, Maribohok, Loon, Calapi, Tubigon. Pero ngayon, through ways at mga panibagong kalsada, pwede ka nang dumaan ng Baclayon, Corelia, Balilihan, Katigbian, din Tubigon. So this is the first bridge ng Poblacion Dawis guys, approaching Junction Dawis. Napaganda na nila yung bridge dyan, malawak-lawak na at saka hindi na magsiksikan sa causeway. Dapat may pangatlong bridge pa pero nalagay sa alanganin ang budget galing ng China. So, ito yung first bridge, kauna-unahang bridge ng Dawis at saka Tagbilaran. Ang labas nito, junction na. Pagkanan, Baclayon, pagkaliwa, Tagbilaran. So, yan yung Banat-i guys. Kitang-kita yung view ng Banat-i. Usually, may mga LTO na nag-aabang dito kasi maraming mga nagmumotor walang lisensya. So, ito na yung way papuntang Baclayon. Hindi ito highway ng Baclayon guys. Nasa looban ito ng konti galing ng yung street ng PNB Tagbilaran na Burgos. Not Burgos. Yung dating may ihawan. Yung kalsada ng kalsada ng hindi rin is. Hindi ako sure na basta hindi ito highway. Papunta na itong Baclayon. Yung mga ibang bus dito dumadaan, kakanan sila doon sa bandang Baclayon. Pagkaliwa niyan sa unahan papuntang Corelia na guys. At least marami ka ng opsyon na pwedeng daanan ngayon. Hindi na nag-iisa yung daanan mo. Unlike dati, talagang magsiksikan sa highway. Ngayon, marami ka ng choices. So, ito na yung papuntang Corelia, galing Baclayon guys. Hindi rin national road ito. I think it's just a provincial road pero doable naman. Mas malapad-lapad pa nga siya doon sa galing Corelia papuntang Balilihan. Kagandahan dito, walang traffic, walang mga stoplight. Wala masyadong sasakyan, wala masyadong tao kaya mabilis ang biyahe mo dito. Usually private ang mga nadaan dito guys. Wala kasing public transport na dumadaan dito. Kukunti ang mga bahayan. Mga nadaan dito, nagsushortcut lang papuntang Balilihan or Sikatuna. Dito dumadaan sa Baclayon, ang labas Corelia. So nakikita nyo naman, konti lang ang sasakyan kaya dire-diretso ang biyahe mo dyan. Unlike kung sa Dao ka dadaan, may roadworks, may traffic, kaya mabagal ang biyahe mo doon. Kaya ito ang pinakamabilis na biyahe galing Panglao, galing Baclayon, or galing ng Buol papuntang Sikatuna, Lubok, Balilihan. Dito dumadaan guys. So wala pa masyadong bahayan dyan. Hindi ganun kalapad yung kalsada pero ayos lang. Unlike doon sa Corelia, Balilihan, makitid-kitid pa ng konti. Tsaka simentado, asfaltado naman ito. Wala nang lubak guys. Sarap mag-drive dito. So approaching na yan ng Corelia, paglabas niyan pagkanan ng konti, palengke na, pagkaliwa papuntang Tagbilaran. Umambon-ambon ng konti guys, sayang nga at bagong hugas ang van for customer satisfaction. By the way, may parintahan pala akong van guys, mura lang ang aking singil at saka hanggang 12 hours ako. Yung standard dito sa Bohol 8 hours lang. Mag-extend ka, dagdag ka rin ng bayad. Lumayo-layo ka ng konti, dagdag ka rin ng bayad. Sa akin hanggang Chocotour 3.5 pero hanggang 12 hours ako. Pag umabot na ng Anda, dagdag ako ng 500. 12 hours pa din. Paki-follow nyo rin pala yung Facebook ko guys, Edmond August. So malapit na yan sa Corillo guys. Wala pa masyadong bahay dito kaya hindi pa matraffic. Pero few years from now sisikip na rin yan. Parami ng parami ang ating population. Hindi naman nag-i-extend ang mundo. Kalsada pwede mag-extend, pwede mag-expand, pero ang mundo as is na talaga yan. Yan na yung Corillo Public Market guys, or Balilihan Public Market. Pagkaliwa niyan papuntang Katigbian, pagkanan sa kanto papuntang Batuan. Ito na yung ways ng mga nagchuchukutor. Bayahan Nupol, mabilis kasi walang traffic, tsaka maganda naman na ang kalsada. Pero hindi safe dumaan ng Hanupol pagka gabi na guys. Balita ko may pumapara pa rin dyan at may mga walang tsinelas. So ito papunta na itong Katigbian. It's around 11 kilometers ang Katigbian galing dito sa Balilihan. Yan, maganda na rin ang kalsada dito, Balilihan papuntang Katigbian guys. May part pati na maluwag-luwag dyan. Hindi naman 4 lanes, may konting extension. Kaya kung pag samahin yung dalawang shoulder, 3 lanes kaso hindi nagagamit. Yung kanan na yon, yung papuntang Batuan. Ito na yung sinasabi kong papuntang Katigbian. Dire-diretso na ang biyahe mo dyan. Walang sasakyan masyado, tsaka yan yung sinasabi ko na may konting shoulder pero hindi rin pang 4th lane or 3rd lane. Parang kalahati lang in-extend nila both sides. At least pag tumabi yung mga tricycle o motor, pwede ka pang humataw kung tatabi. Kasi karamihan kahit pwede naman sila sa tabi na pumapagitna pa rin. Kahit yung mga tricycle nga nagpapagitna. May mga kutsi namang mabagal, nagpapagitna pa din, ayaw pa rin tumabi. Ewan ko ba? Hindi kasi nakapag-seminar ang mga tao dito, karamihan sa Pilipinas o dito sa Bohol. Karamihan siguro walang lisensya, lalo na pag nagmumotor lang, Tapos kung may lisensya man, nagbayad sa fixer, wala ng seminar, kaya pagdating sa actual driving, kamote. Sad to say, but that's the truth here in Bohol, guys. Ang balita ko, nasa 10 to 14,000 ang bayad mo sa fixer kapag nag-apply ka ng lisensya dito sa Bohol. Kasi yung seminar, babayaran mo na rin. Yung test, babayaran mo na rin. Kung hindi ka kasi magbayad, pahirapan ka din. Ibabagsak ka rin. Sasabihin sa'yo, konti na lang kulang, bagsak ka din. Kaya, mapilitan ka rin magbayad sa fixer. May contact na rin yan sa loob. Hindi naman makagalaw ang fixer kung walang contact sa loob. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you in my next video.
Where I come from, there ain't no strangers. Other side of town, still my neighbor. No minding your business. Every crime's got a witness. The good old boys are causing a scene. Gossip girls like spilling the beans. Ain't got nothing else to do but talk about nothing new. Take me to that place where my drink's already made. Don't gotta ask for a name, 'cause we all came from the same dirt roads. Everybody knows Friday night tailgates, church pew praying Sundays. Small town, same old same, where there ain't nothing on the down low. 'Cause everybody knows, 'cause everybody knows. When I turned 18, I ditched this town, left it in the rear view, drove westbound, but I found out quick I like it better in the sticks. And it may not be a cup of tea, but this big fish, small pond life's my thing. 'Cause wherever I go, I'm thinking about home. Take me to that place where my drink's already made. Don't gotta ask for a name, 'cause we all came from the same dirt roads. Everybody knows Friday night tailgates, church pew praying Sundays. Small town, same old same, but there ain't nothing on the down low. 'Cause everybody knows, 'cause everybody knows. Where the cotton and the cornfields grow, we take life real nice and slow. And there ain't nothing on the down low, 'cause everybody knows, yeah. Take me to that place where my drink's already made. Don't gotta ask for a name, 'cause we all came from the same dirt roads. Everybody knows Friday night tailgates, church pew praying Sundays. Small town, same old same, when there ain't nothing on the down low. 'Cause everybody knows, yeah, everybody knows, yeah, everybody knows. I wasn't in with the in crowd, just a number in a small town. You know that hip popularity list? Well, I was like way down. Didn't dress too impressive, didn't know to address it. And ain't much had changed since those high school days till you walked in. And baby, when you fell for me, I was like a new guy on the scene. 'Cause with you on my arm, it's like I'm strutting down the halls like a baller. Everybody's gonna stare, so I'm standing up a little bit so I'm standing up a little bit taller. You with that double take, kind of face star of the show, letting all the people know it doesn't matter who I was, what I've been, cause it all just flipped. Girl, with you, I'm one of the cool kids. Where this is going, who can tell? But I've been hearing wedding bells. Cause with you on my arm, it's like I'm strutting down the halls like a baller. Everybody's gonna stare, so I'm standing up a little bit taller. You with that double take, kind of face star of the show, letting all the people know it doesn't matter who I was, what I've been, cause it all just flipped. Girl, with you, I'm one of the cool kids. Girl, with you, I'm one of the cool kids. I'm one of the cool kids.
mind, I can't quite see it all. You tell me you can't see a way out, well, I'll talk you down. Tell you how I've been there before, show you all the good around. It's been a long December. It's been a long December. I know what it's like to hide from the pain, what it's like to need something just to get through the day. You tell me you can't see a way out, well, I'll show you how. I'll be that knock on your door, remind you you got friends around. It's been a long December. It's been a long